And we are back, straight from the Afrikan Film Centre. This is Film Speak. Now, last week we looked at some of the alumni who benefited from this Kenyatta University Culture Week, but this week we want to get into Kenyatta University and find out the preparations that they have been making this year to make this event a success. It's just a few hours before the launch of this year's Culture Week at Kenyatta University, and excitement is all around.
Ladies and gentlemen, karibuni tena sana kwa Culture Week.
My name is Boni Lukunza. I am the administrator at the Culture Week office.
My name is Kanja Lois. I am a first year student at the Kenyatta University.
Asa marita nkisi awe sikisacho, lakini mama yangu ananitanga kimanyi mogo sore Priskira mukera maina, lakini kwa ufupi unesanita uvomachoge.
Hi, my name is Maureen Dambi. I'll be participating in this year's Culture Week.
But behind the excitements, it has been a ride for the organizers.
Through networking, our students get bigger advantages. So we will also have outside teams coming in, performing, setting the bar for our students. And sometimes you realize from previous experiences, our students actually beat even outside teams.
The Culture Week seeks to provide a platform for young artists to showcase their art, a platform to measure their worth and give them a stepping stone. Just to mention other artists who went through this cultural event include John Kiarie, Walter Mong'are, Tony Njogona, Martin Gedenji, and many other artists rocking the Kenyan scene.
We skipped the 2017 because of the national elections, especially the rerun of the elections where it was coinciding with the main festival, so we had to reschedule to this year.
Considering I'm a first year, this is my first Culture Week and I am expecting much.
So what is there to expect for this year's Culture Week?
You don't want to miss this one from November 1st on Thursday, which is going to be the opening ceremony. Then later in the evening we are going to have the drama and the film. The following day on Friday, November 2nd, we are going to have a cultural extravaganza, and in the evening we shall be celebrating solo nights, our very own singing contest. And Saturday, the best, they normally say preserve the best for last. That is the Miss and Miss KU, the beauty pageant. We are going to have the bodybuilding, fashion show, and the urban culture show.
One of the things we are introducing new is a winners concert. To have all the students who have performed very well within the university just come together to perform to an audience that will appreciate them.
On the ground, artists are more than happy and excited and ready to bring their best foot forward.
I'll be taking part in 2 plays, hopefully, and I hope to see you all, guys. Yeah, you're all welcome. It's a big event. You can't miss it.
Karibuni for Kenyatta University 2018 Culture Week. Welcome so much. Come and enjoy from the best.
You outside there, if you have never attended any of our festival, this is the time.
Join us. This will be a massive thing.
Mnakaribishwa tena sana na ninawapenda.
So I don't think you want to miss this year's Culture Week. From the 1st of November to the 3rd of November, let's come and celebrate our different cultures from all around Africa. Now this is Film Speak, straight from the Afrikan Film Centre. Do remember to share, like it, and leave a comment. Till next week, it's bye-bye.